Rusty ready to go for his walk? Getting up out of bed, huh? You ready? Huh? Huh? You wanna go for a walk? Hmm? You been a good boy all night? I see where you're chewing on the baby gate. I see where you're chewing on the baby gate, huh? 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 Alright, let me go get your leash. We'll go for a walk, okay? Hmm? Hmm? Yeah? You baby? Alright, yeah, we only got the baby gate here because you just want to chase the cat. That's all you want to do. And Lacey's 8 years old and she doesn't want nothing to do with it. She just wants to sleep. Alright, let me go get your leash.